Oh, she's a girl,
But
ate?
I didn't eat food with my
With your teacher? Okay. Sige, ate. Try to this one, ate. Sige, this one. What's the answer for this one?
10,000.
1 na tag 10,000. Tapos this one?
2,000.
2 na tag 1,000. Tapos?
100.
100. Isa na 100. 3 na? 3 na cents. Ibig sabihin 30. Tapos, you have 4. Write your answer daw, ate. The number is? Sige, the number is? 1, 2, 1. Bakit 9? Why 9?
I didn't see what I was writing.
1, 2, 1. Tapos, wait lang. 1, 2, 1. Ano ito? 1, 2, 1, 1?
I'll write the comma later.
1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Oh, where's the comma? Oh, how to read that one?
12,134.
Okay, 12,134. So let's not write the answer, ate, ha? Okay, let's not write the answer. Sa kapag you have a class na. If you have a class, you know how to write this one, ha? Because you already answered that one. Next, this one, ate. How to write this one daw? This one. Start dito.
Is this 0?
Start dito.
2, 3, 4,
How many 10,000s you have?
5.
5. Ibig sabihin, that's 5,000.
5,000.
Ito,
Zero.
0. So you have no 1,000 in your how many hundreds? Ibig sabihin, you have 3 na tag 100. 2 tens. Ibig sabihin, you have
200. 20.
20. This one, how many ones? 5. So ibig sabihin, you have 5 na tag piso or 1. O, sulat mo daw ang number, ate. Write your answer. 5. Tama, 0.
But I wrote something.
5, 0, next. Oh, so how to read that one?
50,320.
Correct. Now, this one, ate. Ang gagawin po natin, this one daw, ate. May instruction dito at the bottom. Right? Sige daw, be. Right?
Write the number 2,360.
Oh, sige daw, isulat mo daw. Sulat the number. Write the number 2,000. Sige, sulat. 2,000.
2,000.
Sige, sulat. 300. And 300 and 60. And 60. 300 and
360.
okay, very good, ate. Now, let's proceed to number 4. Write daw this one, ate. 4,630. Isulat daw dyan. Write the instruction. 4,000. Sige, sulat. 4,630. 1,600. 600. 630. 630. Okay, I want you to do also, ate, B and C, ha? Okay, B and C, ate. You write it also.
For 20. Do I have to erase this?
Pag-erase mo na yan. Letter B. Okay, letter B. Answer, ate?
34,452.
Sulat daw.
34,000. Wait, I don't have enough space. Am I?
Sige, you can move it, ate.
Am I enough?
Oh, erase na. Go, letter B. 34,000.
34,000. 34,000.
452.
452.
Okay, next, letter C.
30. I think I see enough space. But
Erase na, sige, erase. Next, letter C.
20,003.
Sulat. 20,003. 20,000. Ah, lampas ng isang zero. Okay, very good. Next, write the number in words daw, ate. Write the number in words. Sige, sulat, ate. Go. In words, ha?
Okay.
Okay, ate, if you start writing, di ba, the first, ate, should be big letter.
But why is it small?
Sige lang. Pero okay lang small. Sige, go. A, ate, wag mo na isulat. A na, start na. Oh, sulat. Okay na kahit small pala. Okay. Okay, 8.
8,000.
Correct. 8. Oops, mali ang spelling ng 1,000. 8. Mali ang spelling ng 1,000. 1,000. 8,000.
It looks like letter U, but I was actually writing letter N.
Sulat N. 8,000. DD. 8,000. Tapos comma. After ng
Yeah, I'm
1,000.
about to write comma.
Next, 8,000.
8,094.
Oh, 94. Kulang ka ng ano, ate. Dash. Not comma. Yan. 90. Mali ang spelling ng 90, ate. The spelling of 90 is this one, oh. 90. Okay, ha?
Yes.
Okay. 90.
Over.
Yan. Okay. Sige. 90. Okay. Next. Letter B daw, ate. Sige, letter B.
61,070.
Correct. Okay.
What happens if I try not to look at the letters?
Sige, go
So
lang.
that will be not cheating.
Sige, go lang.
Wait, I can see 1,000.
Sige lang, pabayaan mo lang.
Okay, but I'm just looking at the
Go, dito ka natin.
60,
60.
1,
Dash. Kulang ka naman ng dash. 60.
1,
Okay.
61,000.
Okay, 1,000. Comma. Okay, after na 61,000, comma, then
7,070.
61,000. And na diretso agad. And 70. And 70. Very good. Next, letter C.
Wait, are we supposed to write period?
No, period. Period ate. Dapat may period. Okay, next. Letter C.
C, 90,500.
Okay, go. C. Sulat C.
90,000. 90,000.
Okay. 1,000.
It looks like letter A.
Okay, 90,000.
1,500.
Okay.
90,500.
Okay, 100. Next, ate. 75821 is a 5-digit number. Okay? 5-digit number sa ate ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5-digit number ate. The digit 1 starts for 2. The digit 2 stands for 20, right ate? Because this is ones, tens. Next, the digit 8 stands for 800 ha? 800. This
The
one
digit 5 stands
for 5,000. The digit 7 stands for 70,000. Okay ha? So this one, 75821. In 75821, the digit 7 is in the 10,000 place. Its value is how much? 70,000. Because this is in 10,000 man ate. Okay?
70,000, 5,000.
No ate, huwag mo i-read. The digit lang ate. Next, the digit 5
Digit 5
is in
the thousands place.
thousands place. Ibig sabihin
Value
is 5,000. What is the value of 8 ate? It's in the
800.
hundreds. It's in the 100 place. So, 800. What's the place value of 2 ate?
10.
Tens. So, a total, that's 20. What's the value of 1 ate? In ones. So, ibig sabihin, how much is the value? 1. Okay ha? Congratulations. Next ate, later pa, at 130. Okay? Start out tayo dito ate. What does each digit stands for ate? 6 stands for what place value?
6 stands for 1.
Stands for ones.
Yeah.
Okay ha? Which is how much is the total? 6.
Six.
Okay. What is the stands for of 5? What's place value of 5?
1,000.
Sure?
10,000.
10,000, which is the value is
50,000.
50,000. 2 stands for
Tens.
which is the value is very good. How about the 4?
Thousands.
Thousands. How much is the value?
4,000.
Correct. And how about the 9?
100.
Hundreds. How much?
900.
900. Okay. O, sige, eat. Very good, ate. Sige, kain. Next. How much is the value? What is the place value of 9?
Thousands.
Thousands. How much is the value?
9,000.
9,000. How about the 1?
10,000.
Okay, 10,000. How much is the value of 1?
Not 1 is 1.
10?
10,000.
10,000. Okay, how much is the value of 0?
Because it's only 1.
How much is the value of 0? I mean, what is the place value of 0?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. So how many hundreds you have?
0.
None. Oh, wala. Okay, what's the place value of 9?
Tens.
Tens. How much is the value?
9
Oh, what's the place value of 7?
ones.
How much is the value?
Seven.
7. Very good, ate. So this one, fill in the missing numbers, ate ha. Okay. So this one, i-erase na natin ito, ate, because you already finished this one. Okay. So this one, ate, is we have in here ha. Oh, dito ka tingin, ate. Close natin dito. Okay. So this one, tingin dito, ate, dito ka tingin. We have 8,731. So what is the value, place value of 8, ate? Place value?
1,000.
Thousands. So how much thousands you have? What is the value?
8,000.
8,000. Which is ito yun sa ate, 8,000 ha.
8,000
What's
plus
the value?
700.
Oh, 8,000 plus 700 plus
Plus 30.
30. So dapat, ang ilalagay mo dito, ate, 30. This one, ano yung missing, ate? Sige daw.
Let's get 20, 100, 142.
So ano ang missing dito?
20,000 plus blank plus
Ano dito?
40 plus 2.
Ano dito? Ang kulang.
20, 100.
100 appear. Next ate. 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 30. What's the answer? Write your answer daw. Okay. Write your answer ate.
Wait, what are we in next?
This one. Letter C na tayo. 70,000 plus
Plus
5,000
5,000
plus 30. Oh, ilan yung total ate? Sulat mo na dito yung answer mo. Go. Ate, wag yan. Ang final result na ate, we are looking for this one, oh. The same sa ganito yung hinahanap. Diretso naka-answer ka agad.
Okay. Do I have to make something?
Yes, ate. You have to make just like this one, oh.
I have to make a random number.
No, ate. This one, oh, you have to base this one. 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 30.
Plus 30.
You have to make it just like this one. Sige daw.
Like this?
Very good. Oops, bakit dyan ka agad lagi ang 3? It's not dyan ang 3, ate. No, tama yun siya, 75,000.
75,000.
O, kama. Ang 30,
0.
oh, bakit dalawang 0? 30 ka agad. 75,000, 30.
30.
Okay ha, 75,000 and 30. Okay ha? So, ganyan na pagsulat ate. Sige daw. Dito na naman tayo ate sa number 3. Read the table, then fill in the blanks. You have, how many 10,000s you have ate? 6. How many thousands you have?
2.
How many hundreds you have?
None.
How many tens you have?
Nine.
How many ones you have? 4. Okay. In 62,000, if you are going to read this one ate, 62,094. Okay ha? 62,094. The digit blank is in the tens place. That what digit?
9.
Very good.
The digit 9.
Letter B. The digit 2 stands for
Thousands.
thousands. The digit 6 is in the
10,000.
10,000s place. Okay, this one. 10,000s place and its value is,
Its value is 10,000.
di ba 10,000s? Place and its value is?
60,000.
Correct. Okay ha? Okay, fill in the blanks ate. Okay, kasi kain mo na. Okay, next. In 40,252, the digit 0 is in the blank place.
100 space.
Sure? The 0? Huwag ka matingin. Dito na. In 40,252, the digit 0 is in the blank space.
The 100 space.
Sure? 100 place? Dito tingnan mo oh.
The digit 0 is in the thousands.
Thousands place. Next, letter B. Oh, how to read this number?
24,380.
The value of the digit in the ones place is
8.
correct. Letter C. How to read this one?
51,967.
The digit blank is in the 10,000s place.
The digit that
Is in the 10,000s place. What digit? 5. Thousands place and its value is
50,000.
50,000. Correct, ate. Next po. Finding more than and less than, ate, ha. So this one is magkakaroon tayo ng more than or less than na discussion. So this one, ate, how to read this number, ate? Go daw, ate.
31,678.
Okay, letter A. What number is 1,000 more than 31,679? So ibig sabihin, ate, what number is 1,000? Sino yung sa thousands place? Si 1, ate. So sinabi mo daw dito, what number is 1,000 more than 31,679? So yung 1, ate, you add another 1,000. So ibig sabihin, since 1 is in the thousands place, since you add 1,000, it will become 32,679. Ibig sabihin, 32,679 is more than kay 31,679 of 1,000. Okay, you understand, ate? Ibig sabihin, si 32,679 is greater than 31,679 by how many? By 1,000. Okay, 1,000 more than siya, ha? Okay, next, ate. What number is 10,000 less than 31,679? So, sino daw yung ginatukoy, ate? 10,000. So, saan dito yung 10,000 place, ate? Si?
Less than.
Wait lang. Less than 31,679. Sino dito yung 10,000 place? Si 3, si 1, si 6, si 7, si 9. Si?
That space.
Ang ano, ate? Ang 10,000 place. Sino?
3.
Si 3. So, since babawasan mo siya ng 10,000, ate, si 3 will now become 2. Okay, ha? Babawasan mo siya. So, si 31,679 is greater than 21,679 by how many? By 10,000. Because you reduced the 31,000 into 21,000. Ibig sabihin, 10,000 less than 31,679 is 21,679. You understood, ate? Okay, next. What number is 100? Sino dito yung ano, ate? Sino dito yung sa 100 place? Si 6. Ano yung sinabi, ate? Less. So, si 6 will become 5. So, it will become 31,679. If you reduce it by 100, ate, it will become 31,579. Okay nga? Understand, ate? So, bale, you need to look for the word less and more. If less, ate, you reduce 1. If more, you add 1. Okay nga? Okay. This one, ate. Start po tayo. Okay? Tingin dito, ate. What is 1,000 more than 16,235? What is 1,000 more than 16? O, saan dyan dito? 1,000 more than 16,235. Sino yung i-change mo dyan? Si 6. It will become?
7.
Correct. It will become 17,235. From 16,000, since 1,000 more, ate, si 6 will become 7. It will become, now your answer should be 17,235.
17,235.
And 35. Okay, fill in the blanks, ate. Sige daw, ikaw ang answer ko, ate, ha? Write your answers, ate. Okay. Start tayo, ate, letter A. Start daw, letter A.
Letter A, fill in the missing numbers.
Letter A.
30,000.
Dito. Oh, isa ka na. Letter A.
100 more than 12,000.
200.
240.
Oh, it will become?
100 more than.
Oh, it will become?
100 more than. This is the 100 space.
Sino? Si 2. It will become?
3.
Okay, so write your final answer. 12. Correct. Next, letter B. Okay, read the instruction. You understand that, ate?
Yes.
Okay, letter B. 10,000.
10,000 less than 61,397 is. Then it's 10,000 less.
Oh, so sino yung sa 10,000 place?
6. It will become 5.
Correct. So write your answer. Next, letter C. Blank. Blank is?
Is 10,000 more than 87,406.
400 and
406
6. So write your answer.
is 10,000 more.
More than ang sinabi. So what will happen? What's the answer?
8.
Si 8 will become?
7.
More than ang sinabi.
9.
9. So write your answer. Okay. So read it down. Read your answer.
97,406.
And
6.
pag once, ate, na you are going to read this last 2 digit, ate,
Okay.
you will say and, ha? Okay.
97,406.
6. Okay, very good. Next.
Some people say it without
And. Okay, pero you need to say it and, ate, ha?
Yeah, because
Okay.
that's the-
Because this is the book, ate. So, if makulangan ka ng end, your teacher will give you a wrong answer, ha? Okay, letter D. Sige, letter D. Letter D. Dito ka tingin dito. D. Blank is?
That is 1,000 less than 46,377.
300 and?
And 77
So what's the answer?
is less.
So it will become?
6 will become 5.
Write your answer. Okay. 45,377. Sige daw, read daw.
45,377.
377. Okay, letter E.
82,120.
And, pag once, ate, na you are going to read the last 2 digit number, you put and talaga, ha? Okay. Sige, ulit, read.
82,126 is 100 more than.
Write your answer.
blank. Are we still in letter E?
Yes, letter E, ate.
Is 100 more than. So 1 will become 2. So my answer is 82,226.
Wait lang, ha? 100 more than.
I get
Go, go. 82 is 100. Okay, tama ate. Okay, read down. Basahin mo yung answer mo.
82,236.
Correct. Next, letter F ate. Sige daw, F tayo. F.
Na sa 10,535 is 10,000
Less than. Sulat your answer.
less. But 10,000 less, but 10,000 less, 1 will become 0.
Oo. So, what's the final answer na? Wait, stop writing lagi. Sige, sulat. 5.
535.
Ulit, read down.
535. This one?
That one, your answer. Tama yung answer mo. Read it.
535.
500 and.
535.
Pag mo sa atin, you are going to read the last two digit. You will say, and ha. Do not forget it, ate. Okay, next. Letter G, ate. Sige daw.
79,455
Is blank.
Blank less than 79,460.
So, tingnan mo ate ha. This one, 459. This one, 460. Ilan lang yung less than ate?
Minus
79,459 is
lesser than
is 1 ate. 1 less than 79,460.
79,460.
Because ate, ito 1 lang yung difference nila, so you put 1. Okay ate ha? Okay, next. Ito daw. Letter H ate. Start. Letter H.
52.
Letter H.
77,602 is more blank more than 77,592
And, what's the difference sa kanila? What's the difference?
is 1.
1. Saan nag-1 ate? It's not 1, it's not 1. But sino? Si 0 and si 9.
0 and
9.
0 and
This one, si 0 and 9. Ibig sabihin, this is 10. 10 lang ate. 10 more than 77,92. Okay ha? Okay, next ate. Letter I. Letter I ate.
52,341 is blank more than 51,341.
What's the answer?
Thousands.
1,000.
1,000.
So, ang answer dito ate, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 ha? Yan lang yung mga answer dito. Okay? Sa tatlo. Understand? Okay. Number 3, fill in the blanks. 45,600 is blank more than 45,000. Sige daw.
45,600 is blank more than 45,000. 600.
600. Very good. Letter B.
40. Wait, I thought it was the same.
No.
Only these numbers are the same.
Go, go, go. Letter B.
45,600 is blank more than 5,600. 5,600.
What's the answer?
45.
45?
4.
40.
40.
40,000.
40,000.
40 ha? Okay? Kasi ate, dito wala siyang 4. Dito meron siyang 4. Di ba the 4 in here is 40,000? Okay? Sige. Next ate, we will do number 4. Complete the number pattern. Tingnan mo ate ha. From 100, it became 10,100. So how much ang i-add ate? From 100, it became 10,100.
10,100.
How much yung i-add?
1.
Sure ka, 1? From 100, it became 10,100. How much ang i-add?
100.
100. Tapos it became 10,100. How much ang i-add?
10.
10,000. 10,000. After ng 10,100, it became
20,100.
nag-add na naman ate ng 10,000.
10,000.
So 10,000 plus 10,000, it became 20,000. So what is the expected answer in here? It will become?
30,100.
Correct. After ng 30,100, this one, it will become?
40,100.
Correct. Complete the number patterns ate. Okay ha? This one, try to observe daw ate. Okay, look at in here ate. Sige. This one, how to read this one? 83?
83,860.
60. Blank, blank. So you don't know pa in here ate. But you have in here, you have to observe. From 86,860, it became? 87,000.
87,860.
860. So this one, what happened ate? From 6, it became?
87.
Ulit, from 6, it became?
From 6 it became
7.
7.
That one, from 6, it became 7.
Seven.
So ibig sabihin ate,
So I already know.
you already know. So 83,860, this one?
84,860.
And 60. Next.
85,860.
Correct. Next, dito ate, observe mo ha. Okay, observe.
17,480.
And 80. From 17,480 ate, it became, from 17, it became 37. How much ang i-add ate? 20,000. 20,000 ang i-add ha, kasi from 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
it became 3 ate. This one, how much is the answer in here? Feel mo.
Plus 20.
Plus 20, mag-plus 20 ka. So this one, it will become? Write your answer kung hindi mo kaya. From 17, it became 37. So this one, it will become?
37 plus 20.
Diretso na ate, you can mind calculate it. From 17,480, it became 37,480. Next ate, it will become? 3 plus 2. Plus 2 ka lang.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Oh, so ibig sabihin, this one, it will become
5 and 7 plus 0 is
no, ate.
7.
No. This one, from 3, di ba, you add 2, it will become 5. So, read your answer daw. It will become 57,000
57,480.
and 80. Oh, next, after ng 57, it will become
After 57, it becomes 57 plus 20 also.
i-change mo lang ang 5, ate. Ang 5 lang i-change mo. Do not mind the 7. 5 plus 2.
5 plus 2, 7.
Oh, so it will become
77,480.
correct. Okay? Dito, ate, sa letter D na naman tayo, ha? So this one, blank, ate. Pero if you observe, tingnan mo, ate, ha? From 23,674, it became 23,704. Next, ate, it became 23,734. So what are the pattern, ate? Try to decipher daw the pattern.
35,900.
Ate, wala pa tayo dyan. Dito pa tayo sa D. Try to decipher this one first para alam mo dito.
23,674 and 23,704 and
23,700.
730.
Oh, saan dyan ang mga nag-change, ate? Can you please point it out to teacher kung what number ang nag-change? What place?
The tens.
The tens. From 7, ate, it became 0. Ibig sabihin,
From 7
ate,
it became 0 and then now it became 3.
it became 3. So, ibig sabihin, ate, ano yung na-observe mo, ate? You are adding
Adding
3. Okay nga, this one, ate, tingnan mo, ate. If isusulat natin, that's 23,674. Tama, ate? Okay, if you add in here, ate, 30, okay, add ha, 4 plus 0,
4.
4, 7 plus 3,
4.
7 plus 3,
I thought that was
7 plus 3,
10.
0, carry, 1, 6 plus 7, ay 6 plus 1,
7.
7, 3, 2, oh, 23,704. Look at this one, ate, 23,704. O, di ba the same? Oh, next, ate, so 23,704,
If we
add
don't
na
know
naman,
the numbers here, we have to
minus it, ate, ha? So this one, from 23,704, if we add na naman, ate, 30, okay ha, if you add 30, 4 plus 0,
4.
0 plus 3, 7, 3, 2. Oh, tingnan mo, ate, 23,734. Ano yung nandito? 23,734. So parehas, di ba, ate? So since dito, ate, ang ginagawa natin, add, dito, ate, sa mga blank na spaces, minus tayo, ha? Okay. So di ba in here, we have 23,674, right? Okay, 23,674. Sige daw, ate, what do you think is the number in here? Sige daw, try to find it out daw. What do you think is the number, ate?
Do I have to put these fraction in the chest?
What, later na, kaya tayo mag-gusto. Okay. This one. Ano 200? 674. Oh. This one, ate, before siya maging 23,674, what number siya previously?
All minus
Oh, minus how much? Minus 30.
30 minus
Oh,
674.
4. Oh, minus daw. Bakit dyan ka nilagay ng 3? Under 6. Huwag dyan. Under 7. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 4. Next. 7 minus 3.
All 3. 4.
4. 6, 3, 2. Oh, write your answer in here. Write your answer in here.
23,006. I can see this number.
4. 6, 4, 4.
6, 4. I mean, talking to
Silang
this.
babayaan mo na.
I'm talking about this number.
4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. Next, meron pang isa. What do you think is the number in here?
Just because you might forget. Is that all minus?
How much is this?
23,604.
14. Okay, correct, ate, ha? Okay, so that's how you do it. Later pa. Okay, next, ate. Okay, this one, ha, I'll be writing it, ate, ha? You have to do it on your own, ha? As if wala si Teacher Charles, ha? Okay?
Are you going somewhere?
Ha? Hindi ko. I mean ba, you are going to do it right now na as if wala si Teacher Charles.
If you're not when I'm at my school?
Di ba wala man ako at school? I cannot help you ba, ya? So dapat you observe it, ate, on your own. Okay? Ate, from time to time, use your, ano, ha? Use your, how do you say this one, self-awareness, ate, ha? If you are answering, ha? O, sige daw.
Awareness.
Ibig sabihin, ate, you are being aware of what's happening to your surrounding, ha?